let's check out the room. So here we have Mike jumping around.
Hi guys.
This is the little kitchenette that they give you. Little tiny stove, microwave, cupboards full of stuff, full-size freezer, full-size fridge. So it's good, I mean, if you're staying for a while. There's the sink. It's got a dishwasher. Drawers with utensils. More pots and pans. Another pan. And they got the self-closing drawers, which is really nice. Then you've got a big, huge, long dresser / desk. So here, where Mike's going to be editing the videos, that's where he's going to be. Excuse the mess of where we put all our stuff already, but it's all up there.
Big TV and actual.
Nice big TV. And you can maneuver the direction of which it sits. Don't break it. Nice big king-size bed. It's got a nice little chair in the corner. Reclining chair. And then because it's COVID, here's the remote wrapped in plastic. And then they give you a little sheet that has your channel guide.
Here.
And there's Mike taking advantage of the chair. Totally relaxing. So we come back this way and we have the bathroom. Hi guys. In the corner we got a nice little corner shelf, and of course the complimentary stuff that they leave for you here. Nice sink. Got a mirror on the back. There's all your towels. We have an actual shower and bathtub. So nice and clean.
Okay.
They do the little fancy things with the toilet paper.
Interesting.
Extra toiletries. And nothing in that drawer. So there's that. And then on the way, the little light switch. On the way when we came in, there's this closet, which has the iron, laundry bag, little tiny laundry basket, a suitcase holder, ironing board. So a nice little front entry closet type thing. It's got a panel box in here. So if we blow a breaker, we can go and check it out. All the different rules that you normally get when you're in a hotel. And here, they actually tell you how to make ice. Because I guess it makes ice. You don't have to fill a thing or anything. So it tells you how to make ice. So that's kind of cool. We've got all the cups and salt and peppers and sugar and salt packets. Hey, that's fine. To-go cups, measuring cup, bowls, big bowls, strainer, plates, cups, wine glasses, coffee mugs.
Okay, popcorn in here.
Can make popcorn that we didn't bring. Nice little toaster. Pot holder.
Complimentary
Teas, tea towel. Nice sink. Of course, the nice little picture that they put on the wall. There's the bed. Over here is where you have your little phone. And that is the parking lot outside.
We're at the airport.
We're pretty close to the airport.
Literally, it's like the block.
And the thing I like for this is I can see my vehicle from here. So that's the look outside of our window. Not the best look, but you know what? It works for an overnight. Can't complain. It's a pretty nice hotel. Nice and clean. So, have anything to say, Mike?
Oh, me? Stay tuned for more stuff coming out of the vlog.
That's it?
It's a nice place. What else to say?
Your shirt's dirty.
What was it?
That's disturbing.
I guess, yeah.
So I guess we'll see you guys all later.
Yep.
Bye.
The next day.
Well, guys, it is Thursday. We are getting ready to sign out, check out.
Check out.
Well, they do the express checkout here, so it's already done.
Yep.
We just need to get our stuff and go. But we're doing our whole walk around the hotel, make sure we've got all our stuff, because, you know, can't leave anything behind. But nice hotel room. Mike.
Hi.
Yeah, there's the hotel room. Honestly, nice place. Really nice place. Definitely would stay here again. The staff, phenomenal. The lady that checked us in last night, absolutely amazing. I wish I would have gotten her name. It's a cool day here, so I'm glad I brought a jacket. Mike's watching TV, I'm assuming,
Yeah.
because he's looking over that way. So, yeah, we're just gonna do our final little walk around and make sure we've got everything, and then we're gonna head out and try to go to IKEA. And then another mall in town here. Hopefully do Olive Garden for lunch before we head back home. And then get home and go see the dogs, because they've been home basically 24 hours now by themselves, which is the first time. But we have been checking on them with the cameras, and they seem to be doing okay. So that's a good thing. So we'll see you guys all in a little bit. Oh, it's because I hit 4, that's why.
What was the name?